Welcome back to Comfort Food for COVID-19. My name's Lance Avery. I'm the founder of Big Fork Brands. Today we're doing pantry and kitchen clean out soup. So what we've got here is basically some things that I have found in my pantry, and we're gonna combine this into an Instapot soup. Super simple. So first off, the beauty of an Instapot is that you could have that saute setting and then turn it right into a pressure cook setting or a slow cooker setting. So you can do things all in one pot. Super easy, super efficient. Let's go through what we got here. So we've got our Big Fork bacon sausage. I found 2 links, just chop that up. Behind there is about 4 or 5 cloves garlic, just roughly chopped. Little onion, celery, carrots, all those things. These are baby carrots. I found those in the bag, they're already open. And I found 1 onion. Then we have some little petite lentils. Why not? Some beans. Let's go with some beans and some legumes. Some tomatoes are always nice. I found some mushrooms in our pantry. And then just some Italian herbs, a little chili powder. This is basically, it's a blend of different spices as well as chilies. And then don't forget bay leaves. Bay leaves always help. Then I found a little mushroom powder in my pad. So I'll put a spoonful of that. Some bone broth. Water. Soy sauce for umami, and then look what I found in my freezer. Cut okra and some rice cauliflower. Let's do it. It's gonna be a random pantry COVID-19 soup, but it's gonna be delicious because we start off with this. And you can see here, we got a little saute. I'm gonna set this for 15 minutes. We're gonna saute all this stuff. Then I'm gonna put all these things in it, lock it down, and you'll be able to, we'll be back and you'll be able to try it all, or you'll be able to see what the finished product is. Catch you later. Welcome back. All right, so I got my sauteed veg and my bacon sausage, cook it in there. That cooked for 15 minutes, saute. Then I added some black beans, some mushrooms, some tomatoes. These are my spices. I use Italian, bay leaf, couple bay leaves, and a little chili powder. Next, see this? Little petite lentils? Throw it in there. Found those in there. Oh, check this out. Frozen cut okra. Throw it in. Why not? It'll make a tasty soup. Ooh, rice cauliflower. It was open and it's time to get used. This is like a refrigerator and freezer and pantry clean out soup. It's whatever you got inside. So that's the beauty. All right, I got a little mushroom powder. I'm gonna add a little of this. Boom. Water. You need water because you got lentils. Basically, anytime you put in any type of legume that's going to absorb water, you got to put some water in there or it will scorch. A little soy sauce. That's for the umami. And then more. This is a soup, so we got to add liquid. This is a little turkey bone broth I found in our pantry. Boom. That is it. Let's just make sure that it's all kind of combined in there. I can always season it afterwards. You don't have to season it with salt and pepper until afterwards. All right, looks like a nice liquid soup. Lock it down. You're done. All right, we're back. It's done. It's noisy. This is the Instapot is releasing. That's the quick release. A lot of pressure there. This is a 10-minute pressure cooker. This is basically just to bring all those flavors together. The beauty of the Instapot is that I can keep this warm like a slow cooker for hours. And so whenever the kids are hungry today, they can just get a ladle and feed themselves. It takes a while, but it's coming. So Lily, you're going to be the first one to try this soup, so. And this is super safe. These are great. I mean, the Instapot's amazing. It's super handy. I use it about once a week. It's fast, efficient, safe. And also, like, if you just want to demolish a bunch of vegetables that are going to go bad, it makes a great ratatouille. And it's great on almost anything. All right, we're getting there. I'm gonna garnish this soup with a little crushed tortillas here. All right, why don't you come over here? You can take a look at this when we open it up. All right, see how the air is almost all the way out? Hear it? Hear it? Okay. Look at that. It's still simmering like crazy. Look at all that okra in there. All right, let's do this. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of sausage, some beans, some veggies, all in one. Let's do this. Now it's gonna be super hot, Tallulah, so. And there's a little sausage in there, see that? Some carrots. And for a fun little garnish, just take some of these. Okay. There you go. Oh, careful, careful. It's gonna be hot. It's boiling.
Tastes good. It looks good.
Well, it looks good. Oh, it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be really hot. Just blow on a little for like 15 seconds. Oh, but keep it on the spoon. Does it need salt?
Yeah, but it's good.
Okay, so this is the time. Yeah, we didn't season it. So this is the time to season with a little salt and pepper. But there you go. There you have it.